We're excited to announce our newest Give Back project. The Kemp Foundation is working once again with the Orange County Rescue Mission on this amazing project to take this 7-room nunnery and convert it into a home to help women and children who are transitioning from homelessness.
Kemp Brothers established the Kemp Foundation as a way of giving back to the community, and it's just our way of reaching beyond our construction.
This little convent building really needs a significant remodel so that we have a home that can be used with veteran families, moms that have come from a homeless situation and reunified with their children. They live on site, help operate the ranch, and benefit from its horse therapy, horse husbandry programs, along with learning life skills and intercommunication skills with each other so that they can heal and become functional members of our society again. Once they're able to go through a transitional program and deal with addictions or whatever the items are that have held them back in that brokenness, they still need an opportunity to really grow and heal. And that's what an operating ranch like Double R Ranch does.
This project is meaningful to Kemp because it's an opportunity to give back to our community.
Projects like this, we don't go alone. We ask our subcontractors, our supplier associates to join us in making a difference in Orange County. This is a worthy cause and one we ask you to participate in.